Okay, what's up guys? Today we're going to talk about color correction. Hey, my name's Danny Bull. I'm a cameraman for the BBC. Over the last 10 years, I filmed in the Amazon, the Himalayas, from the Rohingya crisis in Bangladesh to young boys trapped in a cave in Thailand. I hope to share here some of the tips and tricks I've learned over the years. Alright y'all, so today we're going to go into color correction. Before we start, if you guys can just subscribe to my YouTube channel, I'd appreciate that. And let's dive in. Cool. This is an intro sequence that we shot in Hanoi during the Trump and Kim summit. And we're going to try to make the colors come out a bit more. I want to keep the detail in the background here and bring out the red. That's my focus right now, right? I do Command 7 to pull up this graph here, which is right now going to be showing us the Luma waveform, okay? And then I'll do Command 4, and that's going to bring up our color board. That's where we can mess with exposure, saturation, and other things, okay? So the first thing I like to do is I like to bring down my darks, because that's what's really going to increase the color and start to bring out the red. So as I start bringing this down, I don't want it to pass 0 because that's when the blacks are completely crushed. But I'm going to go down far just so you can see the color start to come out. As I'm pulling down, you see that her dress is starting to pop, right? Okay, so I'm going to bring it down just about to the bottom. And then you can already see how much her dress has come out. So if I let go, I'm taking this check mark, so I can see the difference of on and off. And all I've done right now is just brought down the darks. And that's already given me so much color. Okay, I'm going to get rid of the waveform just so I can see the full image. And even better, when I'm deciding I'm just going to work on color, you can go to Window, Workspace, Color and Effects. And right now I'm just going to work on color. I'm getting rid of everything in the edit. So we're going to go here. And I'm just going to go to a view of 2 because that's what I like to work with. And here I've already selected Waveform Luma. But here I'm going to go Waveform. And then RGB, red, green, blue, overlay. So it's all in one shot so you can see it more, okay? And then I like to go to fit just so I can see a big focus on our picture, okay? Now I'm going to go again and pull up our lights because our lights can pass up to 100 here. That's where our highlights can go to. So I'm going to bring our highlight up. Okay. Now look at that difference, right? You really see the color starting to come out now and the detail in the background. Now here's another part where you can start to get into the mids. The mid section can either come up a little bit or down depending on your exposure. So I'm feeling pretty good right now, but the skin tones being about here, and the way that the background fits in, and the way the subject fits into the background. And so now we have the full video.
There's a sense of anticipation from the.
All right, so here's the before and after again. Then I'll put in a bit more work to even out the background like this. If you want to see more of that, leave a comment below, and I'll show you how to go even deeper into color grading.
From Hanoi.
All right, thanks y'all. Hope you like this tutorial. Give me a subscribe. It helps me out. And I'll keep making these vids. Thanks.